Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2018 Kia Carnival, stock number 6124. This ran from 02/2015 to the 10th 2020. It has a D4 HP 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a D4 HP 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left front door no dents. Left rear door 1 dent. Left rear 17-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 17-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front 17-inch steel rim, good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.